Best friend. Best friend, come here. Come here, I need to tell you something, best friend. Y'all, best friend. Did you press that subscribe button down below? Like, did you subscribe to this channel? Because I know you're here for the tea on this wig, but help me out, okay? Hit that red subscribe button and comment down below. Comment down below. Let me know. Period. Okay. I'm just letting you know that, you know, if you don't just subscribe to this video, you're not getting the tea. You ain't getting the tea on this wig, so click off. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Before this video even gets started, I just want to say thank you to everyone that has been subscribing to my channel. I appreciate y'all so much. In today's video, we are going to be looking at my ASTERIA 6x6 wig, as you can see by the title. Now, I have two other videos on my channel pertaining to this same wig. So if you haven't already, go check out my first video, which was a first impression video, and it is one of the most popular videos on my channel. The next video that I made was a 1-month update, and a lot of you guys also liked that video. And today, this will probably be my last video of this wig on my channel, to be honest. I'm gonna have to move on. So let me know down below any more wig companies you guys want me to try out. Make sure you drop that down below. But today, y'all, I done dyed my wig. So let me let y'all know that I dyed it a few months ago because I got highlights in like February. And well, I wanted my wig to match because, you know, I'm trying to look natural. Like, I'm trying to be cute, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't no professional, but I dyed it. I do want to let y'all know that I tried to record me dyeing it, but that did not work. So just so y'all know, this is not like a how to do highlights video. This is more so of an update, like, is this hair even manageable after I done dyed it, okay? If you want to see how to get your hair from this to this, make sure you keep watching. I keep my wig in this bag that it came in. This is the ASTERIA bag, and literally I just put it in here, put it in the bottom of the drawer, because like I said, you can see I have a lot of hair. I wear my natural hair more often, and up in the cards I'm going to link actually my playlist for curly hair videos, because that's a lot of what I do on my channel. My wig has been in here for a few weeks. Honestly, I think it's been in here like almost all of quarantine because I ain't been going nowhere, so I ain't had the need to put it on. So this is what the hair looks like right out of the bag. It hasn't been out in, like I said, since quarantine, so like 2-3 months now. But she looks good. Look at this. She is barely tangled. Like, I really do not have a tangling problem with this wig whatsoever. Sometimes the nape part can get tangled, but if you wear wigs, you just know that that's a given. Like, if you're living, that's a given. Like, but this is what she's looking like. She looking like a bad, let me let y'all see. Like, I feel like I did a excellent job on this wig. When I first dyed this wig, oh, you couldn't tell me nothing. You could not tell me nothing, because first of all, this was my first time actually doing highlights, period. But I am gonna go ahead and get this hair together because this is about to be a little bit of work. But, you know, I want to do the intro and come on here looking crazy. So, yeah, I left my curly hair. Alright, y'all, I got my hair all put up and back. In my first video, I did do the bald cap method, but when I'm on the go or something, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that all the time. You know, I need to keep my edges. So, yeah, we not even gonna go there. So I'm gonna just go ahead and swing this thing on real quick. Woo, low. Jeez. I feel like when I put her on, I'm just a whole new person. Like, we about to get her together. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and pin this back so I can glue this wig down so it don't be sliding back. I've had this wig for almost basically a year. And look at this. Look at this. Like, let me go ahead and glue this on. Like, this lace just blends like so well. Y'all, she not even styled and I'm already feeling myself like, yes. I'm about to straighten her out for this video, so y'all can do a little comparison. What do y'all think? So we are just going to get into the styling part of this video, and I'm just gonna be straightening her out. As you can see, she tangles a little bit more now that I dyed her, but barely. Like, I'm telling y'all, this is some good hair. Like, I'm ready to order my next one, but I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about, just look at this bounce. Look at this. Yes. So I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about the process of me dyeing it, because I couldn't record it. I didn't really have like a desk to put like the wig head thing on, and it just kept falling. It was just doing too much, and yeah, I would have been highly upset if I would have messed this wig up. But I dyed this wig with 30 volume developer, I believe it was, and I honestly was going for lighter. I wanted it to go lighter, but for some reason it was just not getting light. It could have been me, because obviously I ain't no pro or nothing, but I had to bleach this hair 2 times. So the first time I bleached this hair, it came out like a light brown. Like, I could barely tell, and I wanted it to look more like lighter to match my hair. So I had to go in a second time, and each time I left the bleach on for what I thought was a half hour or 40 minutes. But yeah, so I put the bleach on these front pieces first, that way they could be lighter, and then I did the back. You can see how easy this hair straightens. Like, this hair straightens like butter. I am ready to order my second wig from this company, because it's really good hair. Like, if you were looking for anything bad for me to say in this video, you're not gonna find it, just because I have nothing. Like, I've had this hair for almost a year, and it barely sheds even after I bleached it. During the bleaching process, the hair was barely coming out. And like I said, I bleached this hair 2 times. So that says a lot in itself. Even though I mentioned this in my first video, I'm going to mention it one more time. If you want any more details, go back to my first video. But this wig is 180 density wig, and this is 18 inches. The next wig I do, I want it all to be this blonde color in the front. I feel like that would be so cute. Like, it still moves. If you saw my first video, you know what I'm talking about. This hair still moves. Yo, I ain't even gonna front. When I went to look for another wig, I did notice that their prices did go up, because I swear I only paid like $170 for this, maybe a little bit less, but now it's like $200. They went up, and you should have got it when I first posted my first video, but we ain't even got to talk about that. Just know, next video I post, you need to get your coins together and go get it. This part is so important. If you don't have a hot comb, you need to get one. Like, you cannot be wearing a wig and not have a hot comb, because you need to lay that hair down. You ain't trying to look like Miss Wiggy out here. Like, lay your wig down. Okay, sis? Lay it down. Like, I know y'all see the difference. Do y'all see that? Do you see how like one side is laid and one side is not? Well, actually, they kind of do both look the same. But that's just because I does this, okay? This will be my last update on this wig. You guys can obviously see that it can be bleached. It's not about to be destroyed. Like, it looks so pretty. So pretty. Is that me? Like, every time I put this wig on, I feel so pretty. I want to show you guys the ends. I could put a little bit of oil on the ends, but I'm not about to do that right now. But as you can see, these ends even look good. And you would think because I dyed this hair and bleached it that my hair will feel dry. It does not feel dry. Like this. Dry wear. No. Like, this is pure movement. Pure body, okay? Body. So this was basically, you know, just a little update on this wig. It's been about a year now, and I colored it, y'all. I colored it, and it looks so good. Like, so this was just a quick video on this wig, and yeah, just a quick video on me styling it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below and push that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. If there's any more wig companies you guys would like me to try out, leave them down below for me. I love you guys. Bye. Y'all, this is the water test. Look at this. This is the water test right here. This is water. This is water.